Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to fix Astro A50 not connecting to base station. So there are a few possible fixes. First thing is you need to try disconnecting the USB from the A50 base station and then connect it to your A50 wireless headset and then hold down the gain button on the mixture and like the Dolby buttons together for 30 seconds, and then you want to wait 5 minutes, and then you want to reconnect everything back to the A50 base station and see if that works. But if it doesn't, another way is you need to download the Astro Command Center from both the Microsoft Store and the Astro Gaming website. Then with the base plugged in and the headset on the base, run the Astro Command Center from like the Microsoft first, and then you need to update the headset through the app, and then it should stop at like 50% completion. When it stops, close the application, open the one from that you downloaded from the Astro Gaming version, and then update it again, and they should work. And yeah, this person said that they went onto the app and it worked immediately. So this is what you need to do. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and I'll see you guys in the next one.